Hi! Today we're going to look at how to add products to manage inventory using bulk import. Bulk import is a feature that speeds up your work, helps you add many products by loading them from a file. You can use this feature when transferring products from another warehouse management system, or if you are resharing products for sale on Amazon, and the result of the reshare is a file with data about the products you decided to buy. This way, you can add products to the inventory manager from any file. All you need to do is copy the data from your file to the UPWMS template. Click the Add Product button. Click the Bulk Import button. Click the Choose File button to load the template, if needed. Fill in the template. You need to copy the data from your file into these template columns. ASIN. UPS EAN code. Product name. Type item or set or bundle is unlikely to be specified in your file, but this column should also be filled in for each item. The next column is manufacturer SKU. Merchant SKU. F and SKU. Save the template file with the data. Go to your Manage Inventory, and in the Bulk Import window, click the Choose File button, and upload the file to the Warehouse Management System. Click the Add button to add the products, and all items from the file will appear in your Manage Inventory. Upload a photo of each individual item. You already know how it is from our other videos. That's it. We have added products to manage inventory using bulk import. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.